So now we'll be discussing about the requirement of life raft. So basically the word life raft whenever comes onto mind, like it is for the rescue operation only, not rescue like during the time of abandon of the ship. Okay. So first of all, like after abandoning, we are the life raft is kind of ship for us. Like whatever we require in a big ship should available in that as well. Like we should be having food, like biscuits, food ration that is 10,000 kilojoule per each person's, water that is 1.5 liters for each person. But remember, after abandoning for 24 hours, no water should be given to anyone. And apart from that, the life raft should have one kind of one pocket for viewing point where we can see outside, and it should have a place where we can mount the rudder for at least 1 meter above the sea level. That what we say, that radar. Okay. And apart from that, it should have a canopy, like it should be a drop test of 18 meter of should be withstand the drop test of 18 meter, or if the stowage height is more, then that the life raft should be should withstand that. And apart from that, the minimum person that one life raft should have at least 6%, and at least what we say, headset should be available for each person. And apart from that, what was there, it should have a 30-meter buoyant line. Okay, 30-meter buoyant line plus the what I told unit point, and what we say, I guess that's it. And the requirement what all we having in it. So basically all the pyrotechnic we should have: 4 hand flare, 6 rocket parachutes, 2 smoke signals, 1 radar reflector, 1 fishing tackle, and 1 survival manual, 1 compass, operational compass, and 1 and 2 buoyant hooks, 2 hatchets, 1 1 electric torch, and 1 if the person is less than 36, I guess 36 of less than 12%, I guess less than 36 only. Like we should be having one knife, and more than that we should have 2 knife. Okay. And apart from that, we should have scoops and say pedals. No, not pedals. Uh, what we say, that kind of. And apart from that, we should have yeah, that's it, I guess. Fishing tackle, manual and operational manual, food ration, radar reflector. Radar reflector is there, and sea anchor, we should have sea anchor, and sea anchor, knife. Okay, tin opener, 3 tin openers should be there, and 3 tin openers. I guess I have covered each and everything. 3 tin openers, 2 hooks, 2 hatchets, 2, and 1 fishing tackles, 1. And okay, and apart from that, this is all about Solas A pack, right? And we have Solas P pack. P, in that the all this the equipment is cancelled, and and like not all, it is half of what is in Solas pack A. And apart from that, that food ration, water requirement, fishing tackle, survival, survival technique is there, and many of the thing has been not there because the solar spec B is very close, like vessel which sail within the coastal area within, I guess, a particular range. They need not to have so much thing because after a very certain period of time they will be rescued, so they need not to have like this life raft. We are Solas APEC should able to, like, in 30 days in sea water, right, withstand in 30 days in sea water. And there is no requirement for Solas B as such. And the packing of the solar this what we say, like the packing of should have a marking of the manufacturer and the marking of the like the name of the port of registry, ship's name, and maximum weight that it can carry. Apart from that, the maximum weight of the container is 185 kg. Okay, so 185 kg of the container, and it should inflate with a non-toxic gases. Okay, and if a person jumps onto the canopy of at least 18 meter, it should hold it. It should able to withstand that the canopy. Okay, and apart from that, what was that 178 kg I told you, it should able to withstand. And other thing is that, yeah, solar spec and everything, and HRU. Yeah, talking to the like release mechanism, it has a kind of HRU system. After immersion in water for more than 4 meter, it should automatically release that HRU have a knife in it that cuts the strap, lashing strap, which would connect with the what we say weak link, and thus the life raft is free to fall down. And but life raft has one painter connected to this weak link to the strong point. So, and the weak link has a capacity of, I guess, 15 knot as a withstand property. I don't remember exactly, but I guess 15 knots, and the painter should has at least a 15 knot. Okay, and what else? And marking should have the stowage length at like at meter of the buoyant line, like painter. And after, like, once the life raft is in water, the a jug should be given so that it should get inflate, right? So after getting it in water, person should get the painter and jerk it once the it start getting inflected. Okay, and that's it. So now let's see what all mistake I have done and what I have left it. So capable of exposure of 30 days, afloat down sea condition. Okay, drop test 18 meter. I have told that. If height of it's more than that, it should be. Then withstand repeated jumps from 4.5 above its floor, with or without the canopy. Okay, the floor should be or canopy. Okay, so it's not 18 meter, it is 4.5 meter only. So we have to remember, like in life jacket also it is 4.5 meter. In emulsion suit it is all, no, in life jacket I don't think so. Let's cross check only, need not to get confused. In life check 4.5 meter is not there. It's a error at the 4.5 meter. So it is common in everything. So in life jacket is also there, and emulsion suit is also there, like 4.5 meter, no ingress of water. So it is same in everything. So 4 point can be stored so after towing it, the speed, like at the 3 knot, it should like can be towed at 3 knot with its full equipment, complement of person, and one anchor streaming. Okay, canopy to provide insulation and protection against heat and cold by 2 layers of material separated by air gap. Okay, interior to be of non-discomforting color. Okay, admit sufficient air for breathing, at least one weaving point. Okay, this is the word weaving point. Weaving port means for collecting rainwater. Okay, so that's bailer, I guess the name is bailer, means to mount a radar transponder, at least to mount a radar transponder. Word we have to use is transponder, radar transponder, at least 1 meter above sea level. Sufficient headroom for all sitting headroom. So we have to use the word headroom for all sitting equipments. Minimum carriage of max weight of the container and its equipment is, okay, container and its equipment, we are talking about everything, 185 kg. Lifelines around the inside and outside. Okay, lifeline should be everywhere. Painter length 10 meter plus the distance from the stored, so even this is also not coming 30 meter here. 10 plus the distance from the stored position to the waterline, whichever. White light of 4.3 candela, burning period, okay, 12 hours. So even this I missed. I didn't know, I forgot just about it. Like for 12 hours there should be a light. Okay, inflation by non-toxic gases. Inflation within 1 minute at 18 to 20 degree, or within 3 minutes at minus. Okay, 1 minute at, if the temperature is normal 18 to 20. If it is minus 30, and it should take 3 times of. Okay, no. Okay, so the buoyant line, rescue cords, is of 30 meter. So rescue cords is of 30 meter. Non-folding knife, okay, so not 12%, it is 13%. For more than 13% the second knife. Okay, 12% or less one baler, 13% or more two balers. Okay, 13% is two baler. Okay, so here I'm correct, 13%, I told 12%, so here was the mistake. Two sponges, two C, okay, so two sea anchors is there, two sponges is there. I guess two sponges is not there in a lifeboat. So two sponges, two sea anchors, two point paddles, three tin opener, one scissors. Okay, okay, first aid kit, I forgot about it. Yeah, one whistle. Okay, six hand flares. Okay, one waterproof torch for moss with one spare of. Okay, one waterproof torch and one radar reflector, one daylight signaling mirror, one life saving signal waterproof cards. Okay, one fishing tackle, food ration with 10 kilo, 1 point. Okay, was rust for graduated drinking vessel, anti sickness. Okay, so this I forgot for 48 hours. Anti sea sickness tablet for 48. One sea sickness bag per person. TPA 10% of the capacity, or okay, so TPA is in Liferaft it is requirement 2 or whichever is greater. 10% of the capacity or 2 whichever is greater. Survival marking, like markers name, trade mark, serial number, name of authority and number of persons carried. Okay, name of authority and number of persons carried, SOLAS, type of emergency, pack enclosed, date of last service, length of painter, max length of stowage. So here what's 30-meter is quads, rescue quads with 30-meter lines. Okay, length of painter, maximum height of stowage, launching instructions, marker and the marking on an inflatable life raft, marking on life raft container as well as on inflatable life raft, markers name, serial number, date of manufactured, okay, name of approving authority, name and place of last service, number of person permitted, minimum chair height of 100 mm, chair height of minimum chair height of, okay. So this is all about life raft. Thank you.